Providing food in mass quantity is my favorite part of a community garden because I work in gardens of different dimensions. I have my garden, I have school gardens, I have the community garden, and I feel like working as a group allows us to bring bulk, like mass quantities of healthy, nutritious food to the people that need it. And so that's really rewarding for me.
First is the quality of the food, the organic food. You feel so much better. It's cleaner. It even tastes better. So can't go wrong. Two is the community. You get to meet a bunch of people in an informal environment. Of course there's rules and there's bureaucracy, but it's loose, which leaves room for creativity and meeting new people. And third, just the physical activity. It's nice to be outside in the sun, and it's good exercise.
So my name is Ina. I love to garden because it gives me satisfaction. And the season is always great harvest.
One of the reasons that I love the garden is the fresh produce. I know what I'm getting, that I grew, and the community is amazing. If it's just like for personal stuff, then it's mostly the produce, and like I just love growing my own stuff and being self-sufficient and having fresh ingredients. Like making anything with carrots fresh from the garden is so much better than any store-bought carrots ever. So just the quality is amazing.
Just had some amazing crops. I think I'm most happy with all of the crops that we planted the end of July into the middle of August that grew. And so, it's allowed us to have a cabbage harvest, a late beet harvest, a bean harvest, more squash. We've got carrots, arugula, and a couple kinds of lettuce and cilantro. So I think having those late crops has been sort of a bonus on top of everything else that we've grown. But the peppers were prolific like they usually are. The cantaloupe is amazing and sweet. Everybody loves that. I think the community gardening thing is, I am all about building community. And so building community while gardening together is huge. And then I also, I like knowing that we're helping people that are in need, because a good portion of our harvest goes to 2 local food banks. We do the Meridian Food Bank and Community Ministry Center up on the bench. And so it was always my heartbeat that we could provide fresh produce and get it into the hands of parents to give it to their kids. So that's probably, my heartbeat for that. Fresh produce, organically grown fresh produce is huge. And I know for a lot of our families this year, I think it helped out financially. Things have gotten incredibly expensive, and so I think for them, I'm just thankful that this garden provided them an opportunity to basically shop twice a week and go home with healthy food.
Heck yeah. You mean like shop at the garden?
Yeah, shop at the garden.
Heck yeah.
So, and we share recipes, and we've got people from other countries, and so we learn how to cook foods differently. There's just a really good exchange of ideas, a really great exchange of how to garden together. People helping people doing things outside of gardening time together. So there's just a lot of opportunity for things to happen when you put 32 people that probably wouldn't have met anywhere else except in a garden. And so but we like learning together. We like tackling the problems together. I think we like growing together. We share in the planning of the garden, and that's kind of what happens next, right? So this comes down, and then we start putting together our plan for 2025.
Nice. Oh, thank you.